Phlebotomy Order of Draw Practice Exam. A phlebotomist needs to draw a CBC, a PT-INR, and a STAT electrolyte panel. What is the correct order of draw for these tests? The correct answer is B. Light blue SST, then lavender. Light blue sodium citrate comes first for the PT-INR. SST gold clot activator comes second for the STAT electrolytes. Lavender EDTA comes last for the CBC. Remember the cardinal rule: coagulation tubes must precede tubes with other additives to prevent carryover. Question 2. If an EDTA tube is drawn before a heparin tube, what artificial error is most likely to occur in the laboratory results? The correct answer is A. False elevation of potassium and false decrease of calcium. Lavender tubes contain potassium EDTA. If EDTA carries over into the next tube via the transfer device or needle tip, it floods the sample with excess potassium while chelating the calcium. This is a classic board exam question. Question 3. When drawing blood cultures along with routine venipuncture tubes, why must blood cultures always be collected first? The correct answer is B. To prevent contamination from skin flora and non-sterile tube additives. Microbiology collections always take absolute priority. Any potential carryover of non-sterile equipment or additives can alter bacterial growth and lead to false positive blood cultures. Question 4. A phlebotomist uses a winged infusion set to draw a single light blue tube for a PTT test. What critical step must be performed before collecting the light blue tube? The correct answer is B. Draw a red discard tube to clear air from the tubing. The air inside the butterfly tubing will enter the first tube, resulting in an underfilled tube. Light blue tubes require a strict 9:1 blood to anticoagulant ratio. Using a discard tube purges the air so the sodium citrate tube fills completely. Question 5. Which of the following tubes requires 8 to 10 immediate inversions after collection? The correct answer is C. Lavender EDTA. Lavender and green tubes require 8 to 10 inversions. Light blue requires 3 to 4 inversions. Over-inversion can activate platelets. SST gold requires 5 inversions. Glass red requires 0 inversions. Question 6. What is the correct order of draw for a capillary fingerstick collection? The correct answer is B. EDTA, other additives, serum specimen. Capillary order of draw is reversed compared to venipuncture. Platelets aggregate rapidly at skin puncture sites. EDTA is collected first in microcontainers to prevent microclot formation in hematology samples. Question 7. A doctor orders a stat glucose test and a stat lactic acid. Which tube color and additive combination is required? The correct answer is C. Gray top sodium fluoride and potassium oxalate. Gray top tubes contain sodium fluoride, an antiglycolytic agent that preserves glucose by stopping glycolysis, and potassium oxalate, an anticoagulant. Question 8. Place the following 4 tubes in the correct venipuncture order of draw. The correct answer is A. 2, 4, 1, 3. Yellow SPS, red, green, gray. Let's trace it through the standard order of draw mnemonic. 1. Yellow, SPS blood culture. 2. Red, serum. 3. Green, heparin. 4. Gray, sodium fluoride oxalate. Question 9. A royal blue top tube with a red stripe on the label indicates which type of additive and placement in the draw order. The correct answer is B, clot activator, drawn before or with serum tubes. Royal blue tubes are used for trace element testing, such as lead, zinc, and arsenic. A red label indicates a clot activator. A lavender label indicates EDTA. A green label indicates heparin. Question 10. While drawing blood, a phlebotomist accidentally fills a lavender tube before a green tube. What is the correct action to take? The correct answer is C. Discard the green tube, obtain a fresh green tube, and redraw it. Once the order of draw is broken, needle carryover of EDTA into the heparin tube has already occurred. You cannot fix additive contamination. The affected tube must be discarded and collected again with a fresh needle transfer setup. Question 11. A phlebotomist is drawing blood for a routine lab panel using an evacuated tube system. Due to an accidental misstep, the lavender top tube, EDTA, is drawn before the gold top tube, SST. Which laboratory test result is most likely to be falsely altered by this order of draw error? The correct answer is B, falsely elevated potassium and falsely decreased calcium. Lavender top tubes contain potassium EDTA. If drawn before an SST serum tube, residual EDTA carried over on the needle tip will contaminate the serum specimen. EDTA works by chelating calcium, which causes a false decrease in calcium levels, while the potassium salt additive causes a false elevation in potassium levels. Question 12. A microcollection is performed on an infant's heel. In what order should the following microcollection containers be filled? The correct answer is C. EDTA microcontainer, other additive microcontainers, serum microcontainer. For dermal capillary punctures, the order of draw is reversed relative to venipuncture. EDTA specimens must be collected first because platelets aggregate rapidly at skin puncture sites. Collecting EDTA immediately prevents microclot formation that would invalidate hematology tests. Serum tubes are collected last because blood clotting is desired in those tubes. How did you do? Count up your score out of 12. 11 to 12 correct. You are exam ready on order of draw. 9 to 10 correct. Great progress, but review additive mechanisms. Under 9, bookmark this video and retake it in a few days. If you found this practice test helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Drop your score in the comments below and let me know which phlebotomy topic you want us to cover next.